Hey style lovers, welcome back to the channel where we explore smart and practical outfit ideas designed to help you look confident, professional, and stylish in every setting. In today's video, we are focusing on a sophisticated combination featuring a sleek leather pencil skirt paired with a soft silk blouse styled specifically for an office meeting environment. This outfit is perfect for women who want to maintain a strong and polished appearance while still incorporating modern fashion elements into their wardrobe. The structured design of the pencil skirt combined with the smooth and flowing texture of the silk blouse create a refined balance that feels both professional and elegant. The leather pencil skirt serves as the foundation of this outfit, providing structure and a clean silhouette that is ideal for professional setting. A well fitted skirt should sit comfortably at the waist and allow enough room for movement, especially during long working hours. The sleek finish of leather add a modern touch without making the outfit feel too bold or distracting, which is important for maintaining a workplace appropriate appearance. The silk blouse introduces softness and fluidity to the outfit, helping to balance the firmness of the leather skirt. Choosing a blouse that flows naturally and feel lightweight can make a big difference in overall comfort, especially during busy work days. Neutral tone or soft color work best as they keep the outfit looking calm and professional. Footwear should always support both comfort and professionalism in an office environment. Classic pumps or closed toe heel are ideal choices as they provide a clean and structured finish to the outfit. It is important to select a heel height that allow you to move confidently throughout the day without discomfort. Layering plays an important role in completing this office look, especially when attending formal meeting. A tailored blazer can instantly elevate the outfit, adding structure and reinforcing the professional tone. Choose a blazer that fit well and complement the overall color palette. Color selection should remain subtle and work appropriate, focusing on shades like black, navy, gray, or soft neutral. These colors create a sense of calm and authority, which is ideal for office meeting and professional interaction. Accessories should be minimal and carefully chosen to avoid distraction. Simple jewelry, a structured handbag, and a clean watch can enhance the outfit without making it look busy or overwhelming. Overall, this outfit is perfect example of how modern style can be blended with professional dressing. By focusing on balance, comfort, and clean styling, you can create a confident and polished look that work perfectly for office meeting. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. We will meet soon in another fashion guide. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Keep smiling, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel, keep watching my videos, share with your family, friends.